Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this soft makeup look, which is actually a really soft foxy eye look, which I think is so nice. Sometimes when I do a foxy eye look with eyeliner, it sometimes looks a little bit too crazy on me. I think I just don't have the eyes for it, but this is a softer version and I really like it and I can't wait for you guys to try it as well. So before I go in with any products, I am first going to prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. This has been my favorite eyeshadow primer for years and years. I actually saw it was on sale on a website that sold MAC and I'm kind of wondering if it's getting discontinued. I really don't hope so. But yeah, hopefully not. So now I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury powder, just setting the whole eyelid just to make sure that everything is fully matte. And then I'm going in with the Benefit Cosmetics Hoolah bronzer, which is my personal favorite product to kind of like contour and bronze at the same time. It kind of has the same, not the same, it kind of has the perfect shade to kind of like contour, but it also gives kind of like a bronzy undertone. It's really nice. So I'm gonna blend this all the way in my crease using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush, blending this all the way, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I just continue to blend until I'm satisfied. Then I took a E75 brush from Sigma Beauty to create a pointy inner corner area. This will kind of make your eye look more pointy at the inner corner, obviously. And this gives a really cool effect. Obviously you can also use like different colors for this or eyeliner, but the trick with today's eye look is to kind of create like soft shadows with the bronzer, which will make it look really soft. So now I'm gonna do the same thing, and now I'm gonna take that same brush and drag a line from the outer portion of the eyelid towards kind of like following the line of the end of the brow. Of course, not dragging it all the way towards my brow, that will look a little bit crazy, but kind of like stopping halfway. And I'm gonna use that to kind of create a really soft wing liner, but in a really soft way, kind of sweeping my brush back and forth, which will kind of create a soft blended effect. And this way you'll kind of have that wing liner effect without looking really harsh and hard. It's just really in a really subtle way, which I think is really pretty. I've never created eye look like this on my eyes before, so I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out, but it definitely gives that foxy eye shape to your eye without looking really dramatic, and I really like how it's looking. So now after doing this, I'm going to curl the lashes because it's time for mascara. But after this, I actually realized I haven't applied anything in my waterline. So I'm using this pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. I believe it's called Copper something, but I will link it down in the description bar. What I think will look really pretty as well would be like a nude color in the waterline, which will really open your eyes and make it look really bright. But I went in for like a soft coppery color, which will really like pop my eye color. So now for my mascara, I'm going in with this mascara from Maybelline, the Sky High, which is one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. It's so good. I actually already need a new one because I have been using this non-stop, but it's really good. So now I'm going in with this blush from Makeup by Mario. This is a really beautiful poppy pink shade. I absolutely love it. I love kind of blushes that look pink, that really make my whole makeup look really fresh. Absolutely love it. I always apply quite a lot because during the day it always fades a little bit, so it's better to go in with a little bit more, and then during the day it's gonna fade out a bit more, especially if you have combination oily skin like I have. So now it's time for lip liner, and my boyfriend decided to join me on camera. He's so sweet. And actually, some of you might not know, but he proposed to me a few weeks ago, and I shared a lot about this on my Instagram, but some of y'all probably don't follow me on Instagram, I assume. But yeah, we are getting married, which is so excited. If you guys want me to make a video about this, telling you guys how it went, let me know. So I'm using this liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors, which is called Extra Toasty, and now I'm going in with this highlighter from Summer Khouzami. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is such a beautiful highlighter, especially in the packaging itself. It already looks so pretty, but on the skin it also looked really nice. And then this is the final result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just hope you like how it turned out. I really like this more softer version of a foxy eye. Sometimes I feel like a foxy eye look using eyeliner looks a little bit too intense on me. It kind of gives me, I don't know, I don't think it really suits me, to be honest. But this is more of a softer version and I'm actually really liking it. So if you are like me, you didn't really like the foxy eye look on yourself, you maybe thought it was a little bit too dramatic, try this softer version and let me know if you like this more. I'm really curious to know. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you all so much for watching and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!